Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little thing that I've been doing to achieve an Afro look. I usually like to wear it in a braid out style or after a braided out style instead of just doing it with a wash and go, because my hair tends to flatten out, as you'll see later on in the video. So let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. As you guys have already seen before, I'm going to be using the Talia Wajid Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner, as well as this new company I've been trying out, Emerge. It's a black-owned business, by the way, so if you guys are looking to stock up more on black-owned businesses, I highly recommend checking out their gel, as well as the rest of their product line. But today I'm going to be using their little curl defining gel, as well as jojoba oil. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and split our hair down the middle, and then we're going to go ahead and split it into smaller sections. As you guys have already seen before, I already put on some leave-in conditioner, and now I'm adding in the jojoba oil as well as the Emerge gel. So what you want to do is just go ahead and smooth that on to all of your hair. Make sure with the jojoba oil, you make sure you rub a little bit on your scalp and make sure you get your edges, especially in the back as well as the front. And then also make sure you coat the ends. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is just do a simple braid, and then make sure you twist the end around with your finger, or if you are transitioning into natural hair, just get like a little flexi rod or a little perm rod and curl the ends. And then we're just going to go ahead and move on and do that to the rest of my hair. I'm doing only 6 braids because I want the braid out to be pretty fluffy. I don't want it to be super duper defined, as you guys will see in later clips. So I'm just going to go ahead and let music play in the background as you guys watch me do my hair. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like this video or like any of my other videos, make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on your post notification bells. It really helps me out, guys. Thank you so much for all the support you've been showing me thus far. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos and keep on watching.
Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, and I'm tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. 'Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own 2 eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show you I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah, no manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no, I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine.
guys, now it's time for the best part, the fluffing. So over here, I'm not using a pick, a comb, or anything. I'm just using my fingers to pull apart the hair and to stretch it away from the roots, just to make sure that it gets bigger and seems more voluminous, and it gets like that afro shape that I'm looking for. And then in the front, as you guys are going to see in a second, I'm going to pull out a water bottle and I'm going to spray the very front of my hair, not the ends where the curl is, but near the scalp, to help shrink my hair up a little bit more and allow it to give me that bang effect, as you can see right here. And boom. So after I allowed the bangs to dry for a couple hours, this is what it turned out looking like. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell so that you know every single time I post. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.